Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruchi Pundora. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Angular in your laptops or PCs. For Angular, we need Node.js. So first we are going to download Node.js. For that, you have to go to the browser. So open any browser. I'm using Edge. Type Node.js and hit enter. Now you can see the first link. It's the official website of Node.js. Click on it. Now you can see we have this button right here, get Node.js. Click on it. Scroll down a bit. Here's our Windows installer. Click on it. It will automatically install your Node in your system. Now open the file. Click on the next button. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on next. This is the path where Node will be installed, so no need to change it. Just click on next. Click the icons in the tree below to change the way features will be installed. You don't need to do anything. Just click on next. Now it says automatically install the necessary tools. So tick this checkbox and click on next. Now click on the install button. A pop-up will appear in your screen stating, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. Now it says Node.js has been successfully installed. Click on finish. You can close this window. Now open your CMD, window R, type CMD. Now we are checking if Node is installed in our PC. So write node dash version v. Now you can see Node is installed and the version number is this. This means Node is installed in your PC and you can use it now. Now to download Angular, we will run a command. What command? Let's go to the browser, type install Angular. Let's go to the original documentation, scroll down, see npm install -g, g यानी ग्लोबली आपके पीसी पे ये एंगुलर इंस्टॉल करेगा, ठीक है. You have to copy this command and paste it in your command prompt. npm is your Node package manager, which manages all the packages for Node. Let's cut this command for a bit. See, if I write npm v, it will show me the Node package manager version, which is installed in my PC. And you don't need to download it separately. Once you have downloaded Node.js, npm comes with it. Okay, so now we are going to paste our command for installing Angular. npm install -g Angular CLI. We are downloading our Angular CLI. Hit enter. Now we will verify if Angular is installed in our PC. So we will write ng version. Hit enter. Now you can see Angular CLI is installed. The version is 21.0.4, Node.js, package manager. Now this verifies that Angular CLI is installed in our PC. So this is it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.